As if we already didn't have enough AI assistants, now Google has come up with yet another new AI assistant with Bard. Google has introduced this assistant with Bard, which is a personal assistant powered by generative AI. They have done this full blown press release, and I will drop the link in video's description. Let me show you a quick demo from their own website. So in this demo, what is happening is that I have asked this assistant with Bard to catch up on the important emails. It has pulled out this Grayson's birthday party and also with the time because it's time bound. And then you can talk about any email with this assistant. For example, where is the party, and it is going to give you the address of it, even if that address is not in the actual email, and then so on and so forth. Similarly, you can give it any image and then talk about that image. And there are a lot of other things which you can do with this assistant. It primarily merges Bard's generative abilities with Google Assistant's features, offering personalized help. Users can interact via text, voice, or images. This also integrates with Google services like Gmail, Workspaces, Docs, and various others. This will be available on Android and iOS. Right now, this assistant with Bard is in beta testing. So I think pretty interesting. And then, in my opinion, these things are going to natively integrate with everything in the future. Very keen to hear your thoughts on it. Please share them in the comments. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.